Data operations like populating the database tables with application or business data, modifying the data and removing the data from the database are done by change commands and or data manipulation statements. Programs are sets of precise instructions used to manipulate and process changes to a database. Changes to a database can be performed using the insert, update, and delete commands. The insert command allows additions to tables in a database. Its syntax is generally as follows, using keywords insert, into, and values. The update command has the following syntax. The where clause allows targeting of one or more records. Keywords include update, set, and where. The delete command is similar in syntax to the update command. Again, the where clause allows targeting of one or more records for deletion from a table. Keywords include delete, from, and an optional where. Let us go to Live SQL and log in using your account. So we will use the base table from the script department employee. You can just run the script. After running, you can go to SQL worksheet. It's loading. Let us wait for a while. Now let us first check on the number of rows in the employee table. Select count, asterisk, from employee. There are 14 rows for the table employee. Let's check on the department table. We have 4 rows. To create a table with the same structure as an existing table, but without the data from the existing table, we use a subquery with the where clause that always evaluates as false, such as where 1 equal to 2. So table is created. But to create a table with the same structure as an existing table and using the same data from the existing table, you can use that statement. And let us check. Copy department has 4 rows. But copy employee, copy emp should not contain anything. So no data found. Now after creating the table, you can confirm its existence by issuing a describe command. So describe copy imp, where it displays the structure of the table. The only constraint that you can verify is the not null constraint. So you can use the user constraints table to view all the constraints. Now to make salary as a not null, you can execute the command alter table, modify, and constraint not null. Describe, copy imp. You should be getting salary not null already. We can add a primary key constraint using the alter table add constraint command. And when you check on user constraints table, we should be getting copy emp, this time with the primary key, with name copy emp pk. Now let us do some manipulation. The number of columns and their data types in the column list of the insert clause must match the number of values and their data types in the subquery. So to create a copy of the rows of a table, we use select asterisk in the subquery. And check. The update statement modifies specific rows if the where clause is specified. So this example transfers employee number 7499 to department 20. Then verify. 7499 is now in department 20. We can also update two columns with a subquery. For example, we can update employee 7499's job and salary to match that of employee 7788. Job is analyst and its salary is 3,000. So we will be changing job and salary of 7499 to analyst to analyst and with 3,000 salary. Now suppose we are to check on or make manipulations to the copy department by deleting the row with location Boston. Okay, so however, without the where clause, you will be deleting all the rows. In this case, we are deleting all the rows in copy emp. No data found now. And in copy department, we have 3 rows because we just deleted Boston. And you can check on the user tables. You should be having 4 tables, copy depth, emp, department, and employee. But if you wish to remove those tables, you use the drop table. And after the dropping of the table, let's check the user tables. You should be having only 2, department and employee.